This is homepage of our website like Agent Journey, and where you can learn more about my work like home courses about contact. Like this is homepage, and this is course of like feature courses like data science fundamental, full stack web development, digital marketing like UX design principle, cloud computing, and mobile app development. This is feature courses. Like agent uni, about the agent uni, like our journey, and you can meet our teams like chief academic officers, head of product, and lead marketing strategist, technological director. Here you can contact with like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. This is the homepage of admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard here, and the and where I can manage the control the website content and setting, and like active account, deactive. Like this is the add users and create the new users form, fill form here, like first name, last name, email address, everything is here. Like course statistic, and here you can check. And this is the general reports like total applications, how many applications approved, how many applications is rejected. You can check the summary report is here. And this is the manage passport policy, and you can change the passport and update the policies here. And this is the system and admin dashboard, you can the log in and log out is here. And this is the staff dashboard, and where team members can view the like manage their tasks and updates. Like staff can check notifications, mails, applications accepted and rejected, everything is here. Like this is the dashboard of staff. Like this is the agent performance, like agent performance is here, you can check. And this is the and staff can communication send by messages, here you can check. This is the application summary reports, and how many applications, how many approved, how many rejected. Like this is the agent performance, like agent performance is here, you can check. And this is the and staff can communication send by messages, here you can check. This is the application summary reports, and how many applications, how many approved, how many rejected. And then staff can log out is here. This is the agent dashboard, and agent can manage their leads to track their performance. You can check the enrollments, is everything is here. This is the dashboard of agent. And like this is the form of enrollment, and students can form fill their personal details like name, email address, everything is here. Like you can check, you can like agent can edit the profile and change the photo. And and agent can communicate send by messages here. And log out is here, you can check, everything is here. Like my name is Pradeep Kaur, and our topic is agent management system. My role is front developer, and project information. Project title is agent management system. Client company name is AMI College. Supervisor Rajesh Thota. Client Mike and tutor Deepa Mani. Project overview, project aim, develop agent management website to decide the admissions process through the agents and to whom it will be beneficial. Organization will not lose agent contacts. Process management will become easy for staff and admins. Agent will be able to work more efficiently. Project progress strategy, adopt agile for project management. Sprint outline, sprint cycle count 3, sprint duration is 3 weeks, working days is 21 days, my contribution is 240 hours, starting date 6 March 2025, finishing date is 29 May 2025. Remember details. My name is Pradeep and my working hours 60 hours. My role is front-end developer, QA testers, and my friend name is Prabjot Kaur Sekho and her working hours 60 hours and her role is backend developer. Team management and communications and commitments. The team is dedicated to remaining fully committed to achieving the common objects. Communications and participation. The team will communications on a regular basis and in weekly meetings. Active participants will be shown by each team members. Problem solving. Any problem occurring will be resolved through the discussion with the full team. Decision making for each role. Specific tasks for assigned team members is free to make their decisions. Dispute resolution, to resolve any dispute there are the ideas closest to clients demands will be finalized. Activities performed as a front-end development. HTML-based view file generation. Design is consist view and styling using CSS. Maintaining responsive design for all the pages to support the mobile device. Write JavaScript to validate forms the before submission. Maintain the page navigations on the website. Collect and adopt copyright-free multimedia content for the website. Activities performed as a QA testers like validity users, validating users, testing process, SQL attack, resiliency testing in each form, validate passport storage in the database is an unreadable format, testing mobile responsiveness in different screen resolution, validate the outcomes of the user story based on the acceptance criteria. Testing RBAC wipes on even every dashboard. Evidence of work, like customized CSS form of model developments and model queries, responsive designs, everything is here. You can check work done for each sprint. One, like develop a common template for each page in the dashboards, and develop a customer CSS file the complemented in the bootstrap based design, incorporate of responsive view in the design, create the basic dashboards like very possible user types, perform SQL injections, testing, and sprint to add all the UI functionality in the admin dashboard, create the UI flow the student enrollment and apply on the courses, adopt the JavaScript based from the validations, and create the form on UI on the as the per requirements, test encrypted storage and user passwords. Like sprint 3, incorporate storing, searching for a filtering, and finalize the UI design for the internal messaging process, and finalize the UI design for the staff dashboard, validate for all the user story based on the acceptance criteria. Additional contributions like create the basic data model of the system, like using DFD diagrams, page mockup design for each web interface. Major three contributions: consistent page template. I have designed a common external CSS to provide a consistent page design for the entire website. Responsive design. I have used Bootstrap to achieve the responsive design for the website. And QA assurance. I have validated all the features of the website based on the acceptance criteria to enhance the user experience and acceptance. Unique things learned, like how to use modern UX design principles in the user interface designing process of the web portal, how to use exciting CSS and icon page length bootstrap, and how to use JavaScript to implemented user data validations and client-side logic development, how to test a web applications to ensure data security and software quality. Points of improvement: most liked, accepted. Continuous feedback and meetings with the client and supervisor helped us to deliver a good quality product. And least like accepts, like less information and workshops available related to the project work. Thank you.